Yeah, this is another third way to connect to Snowpark. Okay, first up, we need to sign up to Hex. Hex is almost similar to, I can say, Jupyter Notebook, but it's had very good capabilities. Uh, the main point is you should be having a corporate email ID to sign up. Otherwise, you cannot sign up. So if you have a corporate email ID, you can sign up, and I think almost like five projects you can create free of cost, so you can make utilize. But this is a nice platform where you can easily connect. Because main thing is that Snowpark already available. Need not to do any further setup, so everything is available. So yeah, we'll start here. So what we are going to do here is we are going to connect to Snowpark, and we're going to create a database and warehouse, and you see create database, and we are going to load to CSV file to the table, and we'll see how exactly the activity happens at a Snowflake also. And this is a simple thing only. So anyway, I'll be sharing the this file in a GitHub, so we can see this. The main thing, right? Main thing, two three settings are there. First thing is that you need to create a connection here. Okay, first thing, you need to create a connection. So you know this, right? All the things we discussed already. So account name, warehouse, we should like add these all things. Okay, and once you add, and these files also I'll be giving. If you remember, we have maintained one config file, right? So in previous methods also, there where we are maintaining all the DB connection, all those things. So it means like once the connection is set up, it should connect through what, you know, that one. Or you see this con name is nothing but the connection name, whatever you have given here. And that's why I have maintained con underscore connection underscore name equal to same. This is the main step here. And the environment you need to set up select is Snowpark. Otherwise, it won't work. Rest all things are anyway. I'll be uploading this uh, file in a GitHub, so you can explore yourself. But this is an example from a Snowflake. It's a Snowflake quick start guide. Basically, this is the credit card record and application record CSV, and that we are simply loading to the uh, Snowpark. Okay, let's start. So in the meanwhile, right, see this, I already played with the HOL DB. I'll drop this DB for an example now. I'll just drop this so that it will get created once again. Now you notice there is no DB present, and we'll go back to the activity just to notice what's happening. Yeah, we'll start from the beginning. There are some things like you need to explore all these things. Cell only, it is by default actually all cells will be selected, so you need to create you need to select cell only, means like only cell, this cell will be created. Otherwise, once you enter control enter, right, usually our practice we do control enter, then it will all the shells may get executed. Better you do this and proceed further. Okay, first step is, see, some of the packages and all what are needed. This is we are just importing, and once I do run, okay, run this, see the version is get printed. This is the latest version of Snowpark. We'll see any activity happened here. Yeah, this drop one I did it correct. So it's just taking a version from this Snowpark, correct? So this is the latest version. So next you see these are some variables has been assigned, and it will be just get printed. Next step, what all I needed, I just assigned it here. Now what data warehouse it should be using and those things, correct? And this is the main important part. This con name, and this should be map. Means like, see, whatever the connection name I have maintained here, it should be same. And another main important point is like it should be enabled, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so we'll see this and we'll run this cell, and it will be get created. See, it will be get connected, and the same query will be fired here. Yeah, select current warehouse, current database, current schema. See, this has been executed, correct? So next, what I'll be will be creating a one warehouse. As we are running an account level, right? So the connection what I have maintained uh, is like highest level, so it can create a even the warehouse or even DB. So if I run this, so warehouse also will be created. If I come here and yeah, create or replace warehouse, x small. Okay, so next step is we are building a table. Sorry, we are building a DB. Okay, so same DB will come, and so DB will be created. So this is the main important part where we are creating a pandas data frame here. Okay, so this data frame, CPD is nothing but was pandas, so we initially used it. Okay, here, yeah, pandas. We are just creating a two data frames, and where we'll be loading these two. It's like data frames data will be available. Anyway, these two files will be uh, I'll be uploading same thing in the Git, so no worries, you can take from there. Yeah, this will be created. So next, see, these two data frames will be loading it to these two tables. See, once I create, I will go back to worksheet and we'll see some uh, data will come or not, or the table will be present or not. It takes time to table to get create, right? Yeah, see, both the tables are created and the data also present, correct? See, this is a Snowpark table. Okay, let's go back to the history. Actually, one interesting thing, right? You won't see the history for this, in activity you won't see. Yeah, till only DB part created, right? It is only present, but data moved to Snowpark table, correct? So next, what same way, see, this is our pandas data frame, and just notice this what says, if I take a type, so pandas core dot data frame, correct? If I run this application record, so application record is what? Snowpark table, right? So it is present here, correct? So, and also if you notice, so see, this pandas data frame will be present in a memory, correct? Means local memory. So if I run this, there will be some size for pandas data frame, but size in MB Snowpark data frame is 0, because everything is present in Snowpark memory, right? Correct. Means like Snowpark, correct. So yeah, it's just a shape. Means like what is the size, and what is the Snowpark limit 5 means like only 5 rows of a pandas data frame. And if I run and go here and see the query, there will be select query should be coming here. Yeah, select application record limit 5, correct? This also, it's a just select. Okay, and if I run the last query, it's just like a selecting these columns and only the particular 5 records, correct? So if I, Yeah, see only three columns and the table and only limit 5. Yeah, that's it. Hex. This is quite interesting. Many things. It's like a cloud one, cloud Jupyter notebook, you can say, with much more features. Just need to be like, just need to explore some all the UIs here. Then it will be easier. So, but it's, if you know Jupyter notebook, this will be also very easier. Okay, thank you.